Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis, and it's been another busy and exciting week. On Saturday, I harvested out of the greenhouses and I watered them really well. And then that afternoon or evening, we went to town and met our oldest son and had dinner with him. And he had come down from up north, so he stayed the night and visited with us on Sunday. Went back to his house on Sunday night. And then on Monday, I had to call the doctor. Nothing important. It's just that I was supposed to have my annual blood work on Tuesday. And I'd gotten a letter in the mail Saturday saying that they had to change my appointment. So I called and got the appointment changed to Thursday of that week. And then after that, we went to town and we had to get more lumber and screws and roofing paper for the shed. And we ate in town before coming home. Then we came home and worked on the shed. And I took care of the animals and cleaned a little bit downstairs. And then on Tuesday, he worked on the shed all day long. I cleaned the house a little bit, and it was a pretty day, not too cold, and it looked like it was going to rain all day, but it never really did. But it was nice and warm weather. Not knowing how many more warm weather days we were going to have, I decided to go and start cleaning all the animal enclosures. Now, we have a lot of animals, and that means a lot of enclosures. We have pens, we have crates, we have cages. All these need to be cleaned. And that's part of the winter checklist items, is to get all the crates and everything, all their enclosures clean really good. Kind of a deep clean to them, because you don't know if you're going to have any more pretty days to get this done. And it might be until next summer before you can actually deep clean them again. So I got that done, and that took all day. You clean the cages, you clean the watering dishes, you clean the feed dishes, you clean the equipment that you use on them, like brushes and ropes and holders. All this stuff needs to be cleaned. And then you clean the area that you cleaned them in. So it's an ongoing process. Then once you get that all clean, you have to clean yourself up really good before you can do anything else. So that took all day, and then I fixed supper at home that night. And then Wednesday we had to go back to town and get more roofing paper. We were 6 feet short of having enough roofing paper to finish. So we went to town on Wednesday and got the rest of the roofing paper, and we got shingles for the shed. And then while we were in town, we ate, and we also went and got groceries. But we couldn't get anything that had to be kept cold because we had the truck. And we didn't have the coolers with us. We didn't have the insulated bags or anything like that with us. And the back of the truck was completely filled, so we couldn't put much back there. And the air conditioning of the truck, it's an old truck, and the air conditioning doesn't work anymore. It used to work fine, but not anymore. So we decided to just not get the frozen stuff or the stuff that needed to be kept cold. And we came home, and he took a break from the shed and started cutting our grass. Our grass was really, really high, and we just cut it last week, but with all that rain, it really took off. So he cut the grass on a Wednesday night, and then Thursday morning we went to town really early because I had to get my blood work done for my annual physical. And we also went and got something to eat afterwards, and then we went and got the frozen and cold stuff and brought it home. And then when we got home, he took the mower and cut more grass. We cut our grass. We cut my mom's place, her grass, and we cut the apartment grass. So cutting grass is a major project. So while he was doing that, I went out and harvested out of the greenhouse. And Thursday I harvested the tomatoes and the sweet peppers and processed them. And then I went back and checked my notes to find out which Swiss chard was the oldest, so I could pull. If it's 2 years older or older, I pulled it. So I did that, and then on Friday he was mowed up at the apartments, and I went and worked in the low greenhouse and got the stuff that needed to be done there. So that has been our week. Hopefully you've had a good week. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and dream big, follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.